Two of the most baffling events ever shot by NASA's own cameras involving UFOs in space. These seemingly enormous discs videotaped near a failed scientific testing device, and this one flying perilously close to the occupied International Space Station, could prove alien spacecraft are monitoring our experiments from very close range. February 25th, 1996. 100 miles above Africa, an experimental satellite system attached to a 12-mile-long electricity-conducting tether suddenly breaks. Within moments, the satellite drifts almost 100 miles away. Nitrogen gas gathers around the tether, effectively turning it into a gigantic fluorescent light in space. Incredibly, it seems to attract some strange company.
When I saw the tape, I realized that I was looking at very exciting, incredible footage that has never before been seen by the public.
David Sarita, an avid UFO researcher and video analyst, has been looking into UFOs documented by NASA cameras for many years. And he believes this incident, which has since become known to leading experts as the Tether incident, may prove aliens exist and are studying us.
You see a swarm of what may be UFOs flying around it, and then we see the cameras zoom in on these objects, and we see giant discs passing behind this tether.
Yet the astronauts involved in the test seem to have a more mundane explanation.
There's a little bit of debris that kind of flies with us.
But is it really mere debris, as NASA often claims, when looking at alleged UFOs in space? Watch what happens when the cameras zoom in.
What we're seeing on the screen here appears very small, but if you blew this up, you would see that these objects are enormous in size. This UFO here, I measured approximately 2 to 3 miles in diameter against the 12-mile length of the tether. If it's further behind the tether than I think, it could be much larger.
The potential size of these UFOs is clearly mind-boggling, and, according to Sarita, so is the advanced technology behind them. Would a piece of space junk pulsate in a regular pattern as we see here?
This spiral, to me, suggests a gravity wave that is stronger than light. This, to me, is proof in quantum physics that these UFOs are utilizing very advanced forms of gravity energy and zero-point energy.
Whatever kind of detectable, pulsating power source was captured in this compelling UFO footage, no one has been able to explain or identify this mysterious, undeniable strobing spacecraft that flew extremely close to the International Space Station in 1999. Though none of the scientists conducting experiments aboard the space station publicly acknowledged what should have been a truly alarming incident, this rarely seen video, recorded live by a dedicated NASA downlink observer, is considered by top experts to be one of the most puzzling NASA UFO videos ever shown. Where did this craft originate? What is its purpose? And what might analysis of this strobing light reveal? While NASA remains tight-lipped, UFO investigators maintain that the controversy over recorded events like these led NASA to stop live broadcasts during subsequent missions.